Welcome back to the channel. Today we've got a filthy Fiesta and we're going to clean it, we're going to polish it, and we're going to apply ceramic wax as well. So today I've got a special guest. He is a bit special, so I'll just give him a chance, and it's Conor. So say hello, Conor.
Hello everyone. Hello.
So this is Conor's car. He does detailing anyway, so we're going to follow him round. He's going to go through the wash process. We're going to get all the car cleaned up. We'll take it inside and we'll get it polished. So yeah, what I'll do is I'll voice over everything. I'll tell you all the steps that we're doing, and we'll just follow Conor around and let him crack on with it. So I hope you enjoy the video. Right, so we've got the cars all clean, decontaminated, we've clay mitted it, we've dried it, got it inside, and we're just going to have a quick wander around and have a look at the paint condition. It's pretty rough, isn't it?
It is, indeed.
But it's nothing, I wouldn't say it's nothing too deep. It's just a lot of wash marring and a lot of swirls.
Definitely.
So we've got a couple of machines. We've got a Milwaukee cordless, we've got the Shine mini cordless, we've got Autofinesse DA6. So Conor will jump on one, I'll jump on the other, and we're just going to whip round the car, give it a single stage. We've done a little test section, haven't we?
Yeah.
Which I'll show you now. With a medium cut, I'll just grab it actually. With the medium cut Menzerner and a medium pad, and it's come up really nicely on it. So we're thinking we can probably just use this, break this right down, and that'll give us the finish that we're looking for as a single stage. And then we'll get on to putting some protection on it afterwards, won't we?
Yeah.
So we've got the car immaculate. There's some deeper scratches and stuff like that on it, which we weren't chasing. We were just trying to get rid of all the swirls and the marks. So with that done, like I say, it's looking brilliant. We're going to move on to protection, and we're going to be using this Swippy ceramic wax. So you can see it comes in a lovely box, and we'll open it up. And inside comes complete with an applicator and a foam insert with the wax sat inside. I'll just show you that now. There it is. So yeah, I've seen some really good reviews on this. Andy and Carl from the Car Boutique did one last week. So yeah, we're going to give it a go, and we're going to feedback how we feel about it. So let's get cracking. Okay, so the car's done. I'm going to take you outside and we'll just have a quick look round it. It looks brilliant. I'm not going to spoil you too much with my thoughts and feelings on this Swippy wax because I want to do a dedicated review for this wax. And yeah, it's a lovely wax. But yeah, I'm going to take you for a walk around. I'll show you the water behaviour, but we will definitely talk more about this wax going forward. Very, very impressive indeed.